Hi, welcome to OptinUp. In this tutorial, we will create a competition. To create a competition, log into your dashboard and click on Competitions. Click Create Competition. On Setup page, enter a competition name. Select a start date. Select an end date. Select a time zone. Put your terms and conditions here, or you can edit this document. You can use these formatting tools. You can choose not to send a confirmation. You can hide the ways to enter. You can hide the total entry amounts. Also, you can make this competition as a responsive competition to allow mobile viewers. Here you can give your audience a way to log in with. By default, it's Facebook, Twitter, and email. For example, we can take off the Twitter option. Now your audience would be able to log in either with Facebook or their email. Here from the drop down, you select your autoresponder. If you are using a form, you select it from your form setting, or you can select an autoresponder under your API setting. Put your list ID. Here you put your Facebook page to allow your users to like your Facebook page. Put your Facebook page URL, and this will give them an option to like your Facebook page. You can either restrict or allow some specific countries. For example, we can restrict some countries. Choose the country from the drop down. You can choose more than one country. By default, it will show in English. Of course, you can choose other language. You can put a minimum age to enter. Say, for example, we can pick minimum 18 and click Save. Here you give your audience an option to enter this competition. You can pick any of these options, or you can select more than one option. To activate an option, click on the option you want. For example, for referring a friend, you put your message here. When they refer a friend, this message will show up. Example, we put August Rush. And put a point value. When they refer a friend, how many points it will value. Say it could be 1 point or 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, we put it 1 and save this option. And as you can see, this will show up as green. You can ask them to follow someone on Twitter. Put your Twitter name here and put the point value. and save this option. You can ask them to tweet a message. Put your desired message here, and your visitors should tweet this to enter this competition and save this option. Also, you can ask them to visit a fan page. They can like the fan page when they visit. Put your Facebook page name and page URL. Select a point value, save this option. Or you can ask your audience to pin an image here. You browse the image and select a point value, save this option. Also, you can ask them to follow someone on Pinterest. Put the Pinterest account name here, select a point value, save this option. And finally, you can ask your audience to post on Tumblr. Type in your post. This would be the post they post on their Tumblr account, and select a point value, save this option. When you select your option or multiple options, click Save. Here you put your prize name. Example, we put free Amazon gift card. Value $100. Select the number of winners. For example, we can put 5 winners. You can put a description here. And prize layout. We have some predefined prize layouts here. For example, we can choose from images. We can choose YouTube video. For YouTube video, you enter the YouTube URL here, or only video. As an example, here we put a feature image. Click upload, upload the image. Or you can also click this custom prize builder here and use drag and drop to create your own custom prize layout. When done, click Save, and your competition will be saved. Later on, you can use that competition to create a campaign. Click OK, and you can view your competitions here. As you can see, your competitions are here. This is the competition we created, and later on we can assign this competition to a campaign. Thank you.